Alright, I have my Rodin coil out to do experiments, and I just wanted to show this. We can see this already. The magnet's already moving. Alright, see what it does in the cup. Kind of interesting, huh? Got that magnetic field rolling through it. That's pretty cool. Put the cup back. Now, 3/4 inch sphere. You can feel it right here. It's already rolling around in there. You can see it on there. Alright. Enough messing around. Yeah, it spins in there. Like certain parts better than others. So while that's in there, we'll just place that magnet on the table. Interesting, huh? Oh, look at that. Did you see that? Hold on. Let's try to get that to do that again. It repulsed it. Well, it's attracting. Yep. Not doing it again. Strange things happen with magnets and fields. I guess it should be predicted. Alright. Take that one out of there. We'll just try this little guy here. Yeah, it does the same thing. Interesting. Let's see what other kind of magnets they got. Oh. It came back up. Oh, this is like a fun game. Let me see if I can't get a little closer. You can see the magnet moving by hand. It's obviously playing with the field. You can go around the whole thing and map it. Gotta love magnets. I'm gonna break something. All right, let's get to the good part. So we know the magnetic field's happening. What do I have hooked up? I have a 12-volt power pack. I'm hooked to a trigger circuit. I am connected to my Rodin coil through A and B, just on one of the terminals only. Let me get this up close shot. So this right here is what my frequency generator's at. So as you can see, pretty simple Schumann resonance. That's what's doing it. So, and it's an easy circuit, guys. I don't need to draw a diagram for this. It's a trigger circuit. This is how they work, okay? Positive, negative to your function generator goes into the trigger circuit. Power goes into the power of your coil, A and B. Then you get a magnetic field forming its pulse. About as simple as it gets, right? Let's see. I can't. Yeah, magnets in your hand, they just, oh, they love the round one. It's doing circles right there. There you go. Here's some ghostly stuff. There's that magnet on there. Look what it's doing there. This is so cool. Oh, it came right over to it. I'm gonna break that glass. Watch. Wonder, I don't think it'll spin in the cup though on the outside, but you never get these magnets free. Ugh. Nope. Ooh, right there. Anyway, kind of interesting playing with my magnets. Anyway, hey, look at this stopped. There it goes. Now it's getting a little poltergeist action going on.